Good morning, friends. Many people say that daily I apply for lots of jobs in LinkedIn and other websites, but I couldn't get job even though my profile matches the job requirement. So in this video, I will cover what are the important tricks or important changes you have to do in your LinkedIn profile to get the job easily. For example, I'm looking for a senior mechanical engineer job. So you can go to this jobs option and you can search here the relevant position. For example, here you can see after searching there are plenty of jobs openings are coming. Let's say I can take this one, senior mechanical engineer in Sharjah. So now if you go down, you can see first how many applicants are there. So over 100 people have applied for this job within 1 week ago, and if you have the chance, then try to contact meet the hiring team. Here you have the option. If possible, you can directly send the request to the hiring people, so you can make a direct interaction with the hiring person. So it will increase your job chances. And secondly, and you have to go, if you see the below one, you can see the key responsibility they have given. So you have to make sure that you are covering all these points in your CV. For example, the important thing is you should not copy paste the responsibility as it is. For example, let's say that they have given an important points that prepare, review and coordinate project documents including but not limited to drawings, design report, calculation, specification and etc. So as a senior mechanical engineer, of course you will do all this type of thing, but in your CV maybe you might not included this type of ad exactly. So what you have to do, you should not copy paste the same thing, but using the AI, for example, you can go to this website. This is one of the best AI website, and you can go inside. So you can go to this option, and you can paste this one, and if you make the changes here, it will give you the same ad with a different concept. Like if you see here, the same one, prepare, review, but you have given in the alternate approach. So if you don't want this one, you can make the changes. So you can choose the exact thing from here. So in this way you can cover all these things. For example, your the project documents such as design drawings, design report, design calculation, technical specification, everything you are preparing. So anyway, so whatever the requirement they have mentioned, you have included all this in yours. You can include all this in your CV now. So like this, one by one, you have to make sure that your CV has the points of all this one. So most of the people, what they do, they will have a common CV and they will apply the same with that same CV to all the job. So that is the problem we are facing. That's the reason their CV is not selected, because they are not including what the recruiter actually wants. So try to cover all this point in your CV when you send to recruiters. When recruiter open your profile, they will first see your banner, profile picture and mainly the job title. In the job title, some people add like I love to travel, I love to listen to music, this type of things. LinkedIn is the professional platform. It's not the Instagram to express our personal thoughts. So please avoid this mistake. And the next one is the banner. When coming to the banner, it should be like a one-word answer about you. In my profile, I have set a teaching image since I provide the training also along with my job. But your main aim is, suppose if your main aim is to get a job only, then you should have a banner related to that. For example, if you want to create a perfect banner, then you can visit the canva.com. Here you can search what type of banner you need and you can choose the banner, and from this banner you can edit and you can fix. So it will be looking like a very professional look for your profile. And the next one is your profile picture. Your profile picture should be in a professional way. You please try to avoid the selfie photo or the crafted photo from your friends group photo, something like that. Also you can change your picture also. Like for example, you have a picture like this and you can drag this one and you can put in the remove background option. And here you can simply change your picture also. So this will make your profile a little bit better than what you have earlier. And the next important one which you see in the LinkedIn profile is your project detail. For example, if you see here, you can see lots of 3D images I have shown in my detail. So you need to provide some 3D images like this to show the actual view of the project that you did in your previous experience. So the technical person from the recruiting company will understand about you very easily. And if you are the fresher and you don't have any experience about site and work, then in this area, project area, you need to provide the project which you have done in your college time. So that is sufficient as a fresher. But as a experienced people, this is very good area to provide a very detailed idea about your project, what you have done. And the next important thing is, if you want to get the job update directly from the human resource officer, you need to connect with them directly. For that, you can go to this option from the search, and after selecting this one, you can see there are plenty of HR options, plenty of HR contacts will appear here. And here you can select the location from here. For example, I am selecting the UAE. So this all HR from UAE, and if you want to particularly select the company, you can select that one also. For example, I'll select here KEO, that's a consultant, and here you can see different HR from KEO I have shown here. So you can connect directly from there, and after connecting this one, you can see they will ask the note to connect them. So you can prepare a short note like this, which should not exceed more than 200 words, and you can send to HR. So by connecting with the HR directly, you can get the job update very easily, and so you can apply for the job very firstly, because when the job is posted, there will be plenty of people will apply for the job. So when the job is posted, you first need to know, and you have to apply for the job very first. So it is very better to connect with the HR directly. And the next important thing is the URL. So you can add your name along with your job position in the URL instead of making lots of things. For example, in my URL, if you see here, I have been using the LinkedIn for long time, and I have given my URL to different people, and also I have saved my URL in the different websites. So I'm not changing my URL from such a long time. But if you want to make the changes in the URL, you can click this one, and after going this one, you can change the URL by writing this one, your name as well as your job position. So this is easy for the HR managers to find out the correct position which they are looking for. And when they search for the particular position, your profile will come out. So you can make the settings like this, and you can save the URL so it will be changed. And the next one is the about section. In the about section, you have to provide the key points related to your work and what you know and what you have done, and very short message about your profile, so the recruiter can easily finalize about the work experience what you have, and they can further look at your detailed profile, so if your job description matches with your requirement. So in this section, provide only some bullet points which can easily describe about yourself. And the next important thing is the skill. So in the skill, for example, let's say that you are the QA/QC mechanical engineer. So your profession will be related to, like, you will create the material submittal, method statement, ITP, and different procedures like that. So when the recruiters are particularly looking for the QA/QC who has the experience in ITP method statement, then your profile will come out first. So you have to add lots of keywords, important keywords related to your profession in the skills section, so which will make your profile to come out first. I believe in this video you got some very good idea about your profile update in the LinkedIn, and all the best for your future job.